Before there were cities, before there were kings, there was trust. You had each other's backs because without it, well, let's just say you'd be nature's protein shake. Fast forward a few thousand years. Suddenly, we're trading with strangers. No Venmo, no Yelp reviews, just a handshake and hope this guy's cool. Then came laws. We literally carved "don't be shady" into stone. Because nothing says "trust me" like a giant rock with rules on it. On the Silk Road, merchants rolled deep. If you made it all the way from China to Rome without getting scammed, you basically unlocked influencer status. By the 20th century, trust had gone mainstream. Banks, brands, treaties. We trusted Coca-Cola more than we trusted politicians. And honestly, that still kind of tracks. Then, boom, the internet. Suddenly you're buying Beanie Babies from a guy in Iowa you never met. And it worked. Most. Nowadays, anyone can publish, anyone can sell. You don't need an editor, a storefront, or even pants. Just Wi-Fi and vibes. The global economy now runs on invisible exchanges.
It's an ecosystem of
Billions of ads bought, sold, and served every second. The marketplace runs on trust. But half the time, we don't even know who we're trusting. And that's the twist. The world's biggest trust experiment is happening right now, 24/7. And let's be honest, not everyone in that experiment is turning in honest work. Because when trust breaks, the whole system breaks. Lose it, and you might lose everything.
Start fighting back. Get Confine's MAC Index, the trust issue, our biannual benchmark on the true cost of bad ads. See how safety, quality, and trust impact the bottom line. Confine.